This is my second video for grade 11 equiangular triangles. I start last video the lesson called geometrical lesson, similar triangles or equiangular. One theorem, ratio theorem that we learned. What is ratio theorem says? In a triangle, if a line drawn parallel to a side, for this triangle, see PQ line drawn parallel to BC, then that line divide the other two proportionally. That means AP is to PB equal AQ is to QC. So many application we found last video, many questions I shown, many problem from the book. This is chapter 14. So I hope you complete the rest. This video I'll complete and check the answer with me. So I show that page 62 or the 82 page, question number 3, page 82, question number 3, the diagram is given like this: A, B, C triangle, and there are a couple of parallels to line BC. These three lines shown as parallel, and the points are here F, here T, here G, E. Okay. In the given diagram, AF is 6, AF is 6. Okay, AF is 6. DB is 3, DB is 3, and AG is 8. Here 8. And GE also 8, right? So the question is, find the values of FD and AC. FD I say X, I mark like X. FD and AC, I say Y. For simple calculation probably, so like a paper 1 problem. The ideas are important. Then only you can use it for the other big question, proving problems. So apply the ratio theorem. So first you can find the x value. Take this triangle. So newcomers better stop and go find the other previous video. Then you have a brief knowledge in how to apply this theorem and calculations. Especially problems come, find the length of the segments or side of a triangle. So come this triangle, see triangle ADE. So in triangle ADE, use the theorem. ADE triangle, this parallel to this, if I write that, FG parallel to DE. Okay, in a triangle line drawn parallel to another side, divide the other two proportionally. So x is to 6. If I show very first ratio, x is to 6 equal 8 is to 8. That's the meaning of the proportion. Proportion means ratio. But when we're doing problem calculating, show as a fraction. X is to 6 means what? X over 6 equal 8 over 8. That is 1. So cross multiple, x is 6. X equals 6 centimeters. That means FD value 6. And now come to the EC answer, EC value or the Y value. Then you decide a suitable triangle. There are so many triangles, so many parallels, and write the proportion. So if I better show a different diagram for that. So here I take these two parallel. These two parallel. Here C, here E. This is A. This is D. Here B. So this is I mentioned Y. What is AE? What is AE? 16. Okay, 16. What is AD? AD, you know the x value. So what is AD? 6, 6, 12. Finally DB 3. So write the ratio in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to BC, DE parallel to BC. Therefore, write the ratio. I said always when writing the ratio, better you show the unknown term is first. Unknown term means here y. So write from here. Y over 16, 3 over 12. Y over 16 equal 3 over 12. Okay. So cross multiple y equal 3 times 12 over 12, is it? 12 cancel. Y is 3, is it? Y is 3. Something I'm missing is this. Y over 16. Y over 16. Check that. Y over 16. Y over 16. 3 over 12. So multiple 16 here. So cut by 4. Cut by 4. 48 4. Check that. Y becomes 4. Y becomes 4, right? So if you work, check with me the answer, but I explained the earlier video how to apply the ratio theorem. And see next question, problem 4 in your school text local book, or draw this diagram. Triangle ABC, and there's a line called here, they mention EG, and these two lines are corresponding parallels, and there's a line somewhere like this, and another parallel here. This is another parallel. Okay, the values are AD is AD, here E, here F, and here AGC. So in the given figure, so many parallels that described here. AD is 6. Properly read and mark the details here. AD is 6. This is 6. AD is 6. DE equal 4. This is 4. DE equal 4. EF is 5. This is 5. EF is 5. Without diagram, no geometry. You should draw diagram, big diagram. Mark the details. GC is 18. This is 18. The question is find the values of this is X and this is Y. The same idea what we done the previous video question. So therefore here so many parallels. If you confuse complicated with this figure, better you can draw a different diagram from this get another different diagram. So I'll show the big diagram ABC first. ABC, then this parallel and EG. You need the EG, right? Okay, then mark the details here. These two parallels. BE. What is BE? What is BE? Check that. What is BE? What is BE? Y and 5. Don't say Y5 or 5Y. Y plus 5. Y plus 5. What is AE? What is AE? 10. AE is 10. And what is AG here? AG is X. AG is X. Is it AG is X? And GC is 18. GC is 18. Okay. This is one triangle. If you confuse you, using this better you were to work. But if the first time you're troubling this diagram troubles you, you can troubleshoot by drawing a different diagram. And see, I do another one that using these two parallel, something like this. These two lines are parallel. Here A is a common vertex, right? Here D, here G, and here what? F. This is what? C. Mark the details. EF is 5. What is AD? What is AD? 6. What is DF? What is DF? 9. Check DF is 9. What is AGX? And what is GC 18? So what can you say properly to calculate this? First we complete the X part. Find the X first. You can't find the Y first, I think. First you find the X value. After X solution, go to this diagram. So here if I write the ratio for this part, if I complete the part here, X is to 18. You can see there x is to 18, right? X is to 18 equal to what? 6 over 9. 6 over 9. So cross multiple, find the x value. 6 over 9 multiple 18. So what did I cut the 9 here to? 12. X equal 12. And then come here, write the ratio for this triangle here. I said always write the unknown term first, that's easy to simplify. So from here, from downward, right, here also the same orders are important. If you misuse the order, you can't get properly. So from here you write it. So what that y plus 5 over 10 equal 18 over x. You know the x is 12. So what that y plus 5 equal to what? Cross multiple 10 into, better cut by 6 also, 3 over 2. Okay. So y plus 5 equal, cut the 2 here, 5 then 15. So no doubt y is 10. So whatever you can get the answer, there's a solution, because the equation, every equation has a solution. But the problem is accuracy of the solution, right? The proper expression form, right? Proper fraction. Here you say x over 18. Here you say 9 over 6. Here 9 over, then draw. You have an answer. It become a different value of x. The same here, y plus 5 over 10. Here if you say 12 over 18, different solution. So be careful, properly write, study properly how I'm explaining here, how these methods and solvable. See next question. Next question. See, there's a triangle marked like this dark line. A, B, C. See next what happened? They shown outside. Now check that diagram properly. They mark outside ED. They mark these two parallel. Okay, so if you refer proper that earlier my video, ratio theorem for a triangle, inside the triangle, if a line drawn parallel to a side, proportionally divide the other two inside. This is outside parallel, therefore no relation. But you can rearrange to this figure into our theorem. The idea is, this what happens, line is produced. CA produced to E, right? BA produced to D. Therefore you take inside, you take the E inside, D also inside. So therefore for your convenience I can rearrange this figure. D and E come inside the figure. That means like this. Here A, here B, C, D. If you turn, the D comes here. The produce it, no, D comes, that's along the AB, right? So you mark somewhere here D. The same as E somewhere here. Now this is an ordinary problem. So not need any confuse or complex or feeling difficulties. This is the idea, right? Now these two are parallel. Then go through and see details given. A is 2, AD is 3, AD 3, AC 4, completely AC 4, check this, AC is 4, here 2 means here 2. And find the value of x. What is x? AB x. AB is x. Check that. Here AB is x. Here what? Here what is AB? How to mark this one? Completely x. Completely x. Completely 8 means here 3, here 5. Completely 10 means here 3, here 7. So x mean what? X minus 3. Here 3, no, therefore balance x minus 3. Yeah, right. The question is right to find the x value. They ask to fill in the blank the meaning of the ratio. So find the x answer, write the ratio. I said always start from the unknown part. From if I write from here, BD is to DA equals C is to EA. So x minus 3 over 3 equal 2 over 2. See, 2 over 2 is 1. So cross multiple x minus 3 equal 1 times 3, 3. So take the minus 3 that side, x is 6. Okay, x equals 6. X equal. You can check something you doubt. Is it correct or incorrect? You're feeling difficult, or you think it's correct, it's wrong, maybe it's wrong, maybe it's wrong. We'll check. Check that. Here 3, here 2, here 2. What it is? X minus 3. X is 6. 6 minus 3, 3. Parallel. See the ratio idea. 3 is to 3. 1 is to 1. 2 is to 2. 1 is to 1. Therefore correct. So any problem you can check like that. Okay, see next question. It's my second video. I complete the graph lesson and geometry progression, all exam problems. And the same diagram idea, see here. The same method, line parallel. G, F, B, E, D, A, C. So what is that? They marked FB is 6. This is Y. And here 6. This is 9. Here 4. This is X. Same idea. Find the values of X and Y. Now you can complete this. Finish this. So first you see, view properly. See the question. Spend few seconds. See one diagram. Only this triangle. You can find the X answer. In the triangle ABC, line drawn parallel, divide the other two proportionally. So complete the X answer. So better you show the theorem or the data. In triangle ABC, this is the best answering method, right? This triangle you using, you have to work that. In triangle ABC, DE parallel to AC, then write. So what the theorem? What that? X over 9 equal to 4 over 6. X over 9 equal 4 over 6. So cross multiple, you answer what? 9 times 4, 36. Divide by 6, 6 centimeter. Okay, X is over. To find the Y value, Y is external other side, Y is external other side. Therefore, better you take the G here, F here, or take the D there and E here. And also you can try the issue, the method. You decide, better you draw a new diagram and work. So can I take this B, F, G. Can I take this D that side? See the previous question, same idea here, right? So D comes there somewhere here. This is 6. This is 9 that told you, too long, but there it goes outside, no? Here 9 goes outside. Therefore this also comes maybe somewhere here. If you confuse, you take here. It's also a problem sometimes, confuse is longer than that. If D comes somewhere here, D comes outside. Therefore E also should come the outside of that. Therefore better you think this triangle. So when you work on, you will feel that you can't copy and go. You have to study tuition class or school teaching, or like this through the online teaching. You can't copy it, no. Otherwise data wastage, time waste. Better stop, you try the figure how it's properly to work the other part. So therefore, I take that case, I take the f inside. Now here 6, here 9. That also knowledge, right? Here 6, here 9. So f comes somewhere here. My mark f somewhere here. So here D, here E. This is B. So G comes here, right? So G somewhere here. Then write the values. What is BG? What is BG? Y. BG is Y. What is BF? 6. BF is 6. What is BD? BD 9. See, BD is 9. BD is 9. So here 3. What is GE? G is what? GE is what? Y plus 6. G is Y plus 6. Y plus 6. So here Y, therefore 6. G is 6. Okay. Is it okay? G, B. BE is 6. Sorry. BE is 6. BE is 6. BE is 6. BG is Y. So this is wrong. Y, sorry, 6 minus Y. 6 minus Y, is it? BE is 6. BE is 6. So here Y means remaining part. 6 minus Y. And now write the ratio. These two parallel. Write the ratio. Answer never comes minus. Y equal minus 2 centimeter. Mine wrong. Answer never comes minus. Can be decimal, no matter. But mostly positive integer. Write the ratio. Y over 6 minus Y equal 6 over 3. 6 over 3. So I can cut this 2. That's 2. And now cross multiple. Y equal 2 into 6 minus Y. Now bracket multiple and solve. You can find the Y answer. What that? Y equal multiply by 2. 12 minus 2Y. So 3Y 12. So Y is 4. Y equal 4. So interesting question. You can't avoid. This is the part 1 problems. But every question is important. You can't neglect part 1 or this part 1 is simple. Don't behave like that. Everything, once you work on, is improving your entire knowledge of geometry and every lessons. See question number 7. Question number 7. Like a trapezium, the biggest trapezium shape available, and another middle parallel. E, F, C, D, A, B. Here X. What is that? In the given figure, this is about the parallel. AC3, mark the details. AC3. AC equal to 3. CE5, 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 BF12, BF completely 12, completely 12. Find the BD, find the BD. I say X. Find the BD, you say X. And DF, where DF? This. So completely 12. Here X means what the balance? 12 minus X. Here also X, there's capital X. Don't confuse. Otherwise make different. Put Y. 12 minus Y. Or M or S. Here also X available. Okay, what the idea to find the only X, one unknown, find the X. A good question. See, the best problem this is to work. Good idea, right? See that. Here a triangle, here a triangle, and there's a ratio. It's parallel. It's all parallel, right? All parallel. In this triangle, there's a ratio, but we don't know what is AX, what is XF. So no matter, because this side or this arm is what? Common for the both triangle. That's the idea, right? this arm, this side, common for the both triangle. Take a note that one. Otherwise you will feel very a terrible problem, very difficult problem, huge difference between the previous all and this. No matter if you think simply. The idea is this is a common side. Therefore, in triangle AEF, CX parallel EF. Better you write like this method, right? Then only you know how to apply the theorem with the data. Therefore, I write the ratio 3:5 is AX is to XF. AX is to XF is 3:5. Okay. I write the unknown part first. AX over XF equal 3/5. I say first equation, right? Come the other triangle. Come to the other side is ABF. Come to triangle ABF. In triangle ABF. What triangle ABF tell that XD parallel to AB. XD parallel to AB. So what the ratio theorem says, in a triangle line parallel to another side, divide the other two proportionally. Therefore, write that. See once again, AX to XF. Okay, AX to XF equal what? BD is to DF. If you complete the diagram, x over 12 minus x. X over 12 minus x. Say second equation. Nice work, nice problem. Now what happened is both equations are same. Why it's same? Ax, xf. Ax, xf. So arriving a conclusion, result, axioms. These two are equal, therefore other side is equal. Therefore 1, 2 gives you 3/5 equal to x over 12 minus x. Now solve this equation. Solving a simple equation, find the x answer. Solve that equation. How if we cross multiple here? 3 into 12 minus x equal 5 times x. 5 times x. Now multiply the brackets and solve. So 36 minus 3x equal 5x. Take that side. 36 equal to 8x. So x equal 36 divided by 8. And get that in 4 times. It was 32. 4 remaining. 4.5. So nice work. It can be long problem. Maybe like a part 2 calculation problem. X equal 4.5, right? Okay, see next question. Problem 8. This is a ratio. It's a very long lesson, but big questions come in the exams. I have the extra additional problems also as I complete your book work and come to the other part also. This heading actually similar equiangular triangle or similar triangle. Later only we have the part of similar triangle. Still we not use what is equiangular. Equiangular samakoni trikona. We not use that term here. See, but still we using the ratio theorem. Side proportional divide. No any angle part. The heading is now not usable now. Not usable. Okay. So no diagram there. So complete read and see. In triangle ABC. So draw diagram in triangle ABC. the bisect of the BCA angle. BC, this angle bisect mean what? Dividing equally. 100 mean 50, 50, 60 mean 30, 30, right? Dividing equally. So therefore, better I mark the C here better. Explain is easy. Bisect. So this angle equal to that angle, right? Means the AB at X. AB at X. Okay. The point P lies on BC. Point B lies on BC such that there's a point PX equal, P is P, PX equal PC. PX equal PC. You see so many parts they are asking in this question. You see, we never works like this. We never works the earlier problem. We need a parallel only. We have theorem. So something missing, I don't know what, we'll check it. See that. So is it okay? There's a point, new point P on BC such as PX equal to PC, right? PX is 9. PX 9. So here also 9. Okay. And BX is 5. This is 5. Okay. AX is 6. AX is 6. That's all they ask. Now they ask, find the value of BC. Find the value of BC. They ask, find this BC value. Find the value of BC. Okay, check once again the diagram. Triangle ABC, angle bisect of the BCA, meet at X. The point P lie on the BC. It's okay. Such that PX equal to PC, right? PX 9, okay. BX is 5, right? AX 6, okay. Find the value of BC. So what the idea? There's no parallel. Think any other method. So if I mark this angle is theta, this also theta because of angle bisect. So this triangle is an isosceles triangle. So here also is a theta. Because two sides are equal, therefore opposite angles are equal. That also theta, okay. And any parallel over here, and see by using the angle. Yes, the good idea. See, these two lines are parallel. You know, you grade 9 mathematics parallel. When the lines are parallel, what are the angle that you know? Lines are parallel. If you transversal cuts, this angle equal to this angle. Alternate angle. If the alternate angles are equal, lines are parallel. If the lines are parallel, alternate angles are equal. The converse, the reverse also true. So see, this angle equal to this angle, like a Z shape, check that, like this shape, like a Z shape, like a Z shape. This angle equal to, therefore lines are parallel. Therefore lines are parallel, right? This angle equal to this angle, lines are parallel. Then you can go to the answer. Therefore, best thing, before go to the calculation, you show the lines are parallel. So see the method. CX, write this CX, angular bisector or angle bisector. Write that CX angle bisector of BCA. CX angle bisect of BCA given data, right? Therefore, BCX angle equal to what? ACX angle. I say theta. Say theta. You know theta grade 10. You learn about the 360 about theta into pi r square 2 pi r like that. Theta. Later you comes the trigonometry, sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, a lot. Okay. Now tell this triangle another data in triangle PCX. Now write In triangle PCX, PC equal PX, data. Then recollect your grade 10 maths isosceles triangle. In an isosceles triangle, if two sides are equal, opposite angles are equal, right? Therefore, tell that answer. Therefore, here angle equal, that also theta. Therefore, PCX equal this one, PXC. That also therefore theta. That also theta. So, PCX, BCX all same, right? PCX, BCX, C is the center, the vertex of the angle. That's the same. That also theta. Then you come to this. Here finally we tell here theta. What is the here and there? Check properly the parallel node. Here and there mean alternate method. Next right. Therefore, ACX angle equal to PXC equal to theta. Okay, it also simple arriving conclusion. If it's 50, here 50, here 50, here 50, that's like an alternate. Then you write an important sentence, right? This, that is alternate angles are equal. Therefore, AC parallel to XP. Tell that. Very important part. Therefore, because of all question use the parallel idea, okay? Therefore, AC parallel to XP, right? So I mark these two now parallel. Now come to the question. The question is find the BP. Find the BC. So if I mark one letter called A, then forget everything. These rules, use the ordinary ratio theorem. See, in triangle ABC, this is parallel. Therefore, write the ratio. Therefore, start from the unknown. A over 9, 5 over 6. A over 9 equal 5 over 6. Okay, 5 over 6. Okay, that. So multiple A equal 45 over 6. Decimal answer is it that 6. Okay, the value is 6. No problem, values are no matter simplified. Here what 7 times 42 35. This is 7.5. Therefore BC is what? 9 more 16.5. 9 more 16.5. The best question. 16.5 is the idea how to use ratio theorem and its application. Sometimes not only ratio, you have to come rotating all the knowledge and come to final the parallel, then do the work. So I hope you understood this. Keep in touch. Next videos I'll show some more problem, attractive questions and full detailed solutions.